How to fix Windows 11 version 24S2 not installing. Let's get started. First, run Windows Update Troubleshoot. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the Option System. Now head over to the option Troubleshoot. Now click on the option Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Once the troubleshooter completes, restart your PC and check if updates goes through. Next, restart Windows Update Services. For that, search for Services. Scroll down to Windows Update, double-click it, say Startup Type to Automatic, click Start, then hit OK. Do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double-click on it, select the option Properties, and select Startup Type to Automatic. Finally, right-click both services again and choose Restart. Next, reset Windows Update components. For that, you'll need to search for command prompt. Once it appears, click on the option Run as Administrator. Now you'll need to type in these command prompts. Lastly, you can use Media Creation tool. For that, navigate to this one website. Now here, click on Download and go through the process. Run the tool, accept the license, select ISO file and save it to your desktop. Once downloaded, double-click the ISO and run setup.exe. Follow the prompts and ensure keep personal files and apps is selected. Click Install and let Windows handle the rest. And that's it. One of these methods should help you install Windows 11 version 24S2 successfully. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.